Now, if it wasn't bad enough for the cannonball tribe religion, with Captain Sensible's balloon of delusion being shot down by common sense the other day, we've now got the #1 globagandist coming back, rising up to the top of the scientific tables, citing an airfix model as somehow proof that demonstrable reality's got it wrong. Here we're going to see Dan's so-called debunk. This is the only thing we get from these propagandists. They can't provide any real practicality, any real demonstrable science. Instead, they have to defend their delusions. In this case, we've got Dan defending an airfix model as somehow proof that we all live on a cannonball flying for a vacuum. He can't produce any demonstrable science. This is how bad he's got. He now has to defend the absurdity of airfix models and cite that as proof that demonstrable reality has got it wrong, because he can't cite any practical references of the substance of Earth. Nothing. So it's not looking good, is it, for the Cannonball tribe, the pantomime boys? They seem to have lost their way. So let's have a look just at the tail end of Dan's delusional, airfix dribbling piece of propaganda. Bear with me.
I don't want to influence your decision here, but if you're going to ask me, we've just zoomed in on a model here. I could probably knock something up better for 40 quid.
Highly unlikely, LEO. I mean, do try, it'd be fun seeing.
Let's carry on. I mean, look here. Official footage. So I'll pose the question. Is that real?
Yes.
Or is that just a cheap, tacky model?
No.
You tell me.
He really is incredulous, isn't he?
The irony of Dan's comment there. The fact that he defends and cites airfix models as somehow proof that demonstrable reality has got it wrong, because he's not cited any kind of real demonstrable science. He has to, actually, the globe's #1 top boy actually has to defend airfix models as proof that reality has got it wrong. Dan, I want to dance to the delusions that is the globe pantomime theory. I want to take on board airfix models as my reality. I want to be able, like you, to dribble at CGI and airfix models. But there's just one thing, Dan. You need to refute reality first for me to take on board, entertain the pantomime of deceit that is the globe. Dan, can you cite a scientific demonstration refuting the 3 things of demonstrable truth I'm about to quote to you? 1. It's impossible to have a vacuum next to an air pressure system without solid separation. 2. The behaviour of water makes it impossible for water to wrap and conform to the outside of different shapes. Let me just add here, a description of the way things fall doesn't change the molecular structure of water. That's a fact, Dan. 3. Tower cranes scientifically, undeniably prove without a shadow of a doubt that the Earth is not a spinning ball. There's not one single practical, demonstrable bit of science on Earth to refute what I've just said, those 3 globe destructions or globe destroying truths. They are scientifically, demonstrably true, and they annihilate the globe. And there's no one on Earth that can refute that with any kind of science. And as we've just seen, the globe's top boy, Mr. Charisma himself, the mannequin man, airfix dribbler Dan, has just proven all they can do as far as science is concerned is defend airfix models and cite that as somehow proof that reality has got it wrong. Dear, oh dear, oh dear.